Gagawa tayo ng denim planters kasama ang ating Los Jardineros na Los Viajeros.
Ito na. Simulan na natin. Okay, game. So, we're gonna make plants sa loob nitong mga pants.
Tulad
Plants in pants.
Correct.
I love it! May title na siya.
It's a modeling design. You can do it at home.
Okay.
You need some gloves, some normal things to start it.
Ito na lang sa atin para maliit.
Small na lang.
Okay, tapos...
So, baligtarin muna yung jeans. It has to be like that. Inside out. And then,
Reverse.
you have to tie the bottom. Kasi yan yung magiging lock nito.
So, let's do it.
Ito.
Okay. So, lock like that. Paikot lang. Itong cable ties ito, ang daming gamit nito.
Sobra. Ayan, kailangan
Are you guys,
Okay, ayan.
Okay, so ito, ilalak natin. And then hatak. Like that.
Okay.
We reverse the
Higher
pants for the other side so we can make it the right side. We're gonna start filling with the pants with stones. So for the
Ayan na,
base
halika na.
to be
Ate, ikaw na
strong.
gumawa niyan.
tayo.
So go pare.
We need to use this.
For the same. Yeah.
Saan ba? The stones muna. Kasi yun ang... Para
Yung
siya
base.
tumayo. Yun ang pinaka-base niya.
All about that base.
Ito nga, oh.
Okay.
Diego,
na
now
ba?
we're gonna fill
Go,
it
ate.
Ang hirap
More.
nito,
with some sand.
More.
Saan naman? Side.
Ito. Okay. Very good!
Ano na? Tumatayo na siya?
Nakatayo na siya,
Ay! Good boy!
Okay.
Kinausap na talaga.
Ito, ate. Says, ayan.
Oh, this looks like skinny.
Kaya mo pa ba?
Ayaw, artista. Ay!
Now, let's put the, soil.
Alam mo, kung makaupo ka dyan, para...
Kaya nga nagtatago ako sa likod ng plants ng puso.
Okay.
O, suksok mo na, ate.
Ay, sorry. Sorry, Hans. Nagiging piki na yung bata. Sandali. Bumibigat kasi. Gusto ko nga yung flowers. Sige na.
Don't forget to
Zip.
Zip your pants.
If not, the bird
Ours is
gonna
closed.
fly.
I don't know why yours is not.
Wait lang, patayuin natin ang gusto. Gosh,
Ayan na.
okay.
For my setting.
Game. Here.
Going to this day.
One.
Slowly.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you. Bakit?
talaga.
Wait. Help us. Hindi kasi yan yung paa niya. Okay.
This is a sexy pair.
Pose?
See?
Ayan na. Stop. Okay.
Wait lang.
Wait.
One.
Sigurado?
1 foot back. Oh.
Don't walk. See, ours is better, huh?
Ay, ang ganda.
Ganda.
Because of the stones. My gosh.
Wait, look ko. Pose yan.
Meron
Posey, ah? Model, di ba?
Wait, we have a belt. May belt tayo.
Modelo.
Okay, we have a belt. Oh, diba? Winner ng mga pasabog.
Accessories, that's fun.
I like
You know what?
it.
This is perfect
More
for
buttons?
Halloween.
Oo.
Ayan, malapit na mag-Halloween. Kunyari, manananggal sila. Diba?
Nakakatakot kasi siya. Pero maganda. Maganda talaga pag nakatayo. Perfect.
Ganda ng bulaklak. Thank you, guys!
Thank you.
Thank you very much.